Oh man. I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was that bad. My bike's not used to being muddy. I live in the desert. Will you stand behind this and tell me how it looks?
Maybe.
Do you want to be in the shot?
Why would I be in the shot?
Because you're cool and
Cool.
people like you.
Oh, okay, then I can be in the shot.
Because I can come in all business like this. I'm doing this because of that, and this helps with this, and this is why I do that. And then you can be there like, so I'm Bryson. I'm cool. And then it's going to make the video feel cool and not so educational.
Yeah, I don't know if I feel like this.
Alright, we'll see you later.
Alright, see you later.
And gotta keep the door shut tight. Cat's in here. So, to my surprise, I woke up this morning and there was quite a bit of snow on the ground, and so I thought, oh, I was gonna ride today and I was gonna shoot a vlog, and then I realized it was a perfect opportunity to go and make a vlog about why I like riding in bad weather conditions. Because for the first half of my time riding, basically I'd always go out, and if the weather wasn't good, I would either stay home, not ride at all, or when I would go out and ride, I would be like, ah, it's so windy, I can't hit this jump how I want to do it because it's just throwing me off so bad. Or, the track conditions are so dry and dusty right now, I can't get traction anywhere, all the lips are worn down. Or even it's so slick right now, I can't get traction anywhere, I keep sliding everywhere, I'm gonna fall flat on my face in just a few minutes. And then I started to get a little bit of experience around races, and I raced a few motocross races, and I helped out a few desert races. And something that I started to catch on to is the people setting up these races were pretty much gonna put on the race no matter what the weather conditions were. And there was a few times that it got pretty rough weather conditions, really muddy, really slick, and I basically started to notice that it wasn't so much who was the fastest riders anymore, it was who is the fastest mud riders. And then I started to notice a little bit of an opportunity there where I've always really wanted to be a well-rounded rider. And basically what I realized is you don't just want to be a good rider in normal conditions, you also want to be a fast rider in muddy conditions, you want to be a good rider in windy conditions, you want to be a good rider in really dry, slick conditions. Because a lot of people, if it's not ideal riding conditions, they're just not going to go out and ride, or they're not going to be motivated to practice or really put any effort into anything. And once I started to notice that, I kind of started to adopt a mindset of really loving the challenge of every time there was like bad weather or any other type of weird challenges that make people just like, oh, I don't want to ride. I'd almost get fired up about that in a way, because I thought, oh, this is a great opportunity to be practicing this, and now I can work on my riding in the wind, or I can work on my riding in the mud and become a better rider in that area. And so now basically whenever it's bad conditions, which is quite a bit up here in the high desert, it's either snowy, rainy in the winter, or months on top of months with no rain at all, super dry, and the wind's pretty much always blowing. It rarely turns off. That's why I usually film in the mornings and the evenings, because it's not quite so bad then. And since I've adopted this mindset a little bit, I definitely have became a better, well-rounded rider, and even just practicing in muddy conditions does help with my normal riding conditions. And most importantly, I just enjoy it and have a lot more fun, and I'm not out there complaining to myself about the weather the whole time and not enjoying the ride at all. So that'll give you guys something to think about a little bit in today's vlog, and maybe apply it to yourself if you don't have the best riding conditions. And it doesn't have to be just weather. Like sometimes I'll go to a place to ride, because maybe we're camping or we're just kind of stuck there and we're riding, and maybe it's like just the worst track you could imagine, super boring or way too challenging, or whatever the condition is. I always try to think, how can I make the most of this situation? And once I sort of put myself in that mindset, I just start having a blast, when most people are kind of just sitting there complaining the whole time, not having very much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and see you guys in the next video.